Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with multicolors. You can see blue, green and red shades with block prints and zari lines, and we have the blue copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side the brick red color borders. The saree is a very different color, a pastel shade, mild green tinge, so olive green tinge with the prints in very different dark green and red. Two different kind of printing, the leaf pattern as well as a very different pattern in the top. Again a blue portion is given in the lower half. Multiple designs printed in the saree, very different rare collection, rare color combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon and black pallu with prints in white, very elegant one with zari lines also. And we have same black color, check black blouse piece with one side rama green borders. The saree is in beautiful rama green and red combo. Excellent color, dark shade rama. You can see the red base in the both sides of the saree, very elegant one with the prints in multiple designs. You can see birds as well as geometric pattern. Very elegant one with the black borders in both sides. Very elegant, beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a complete purple saree with purple pallu, block print design as well as zari lines in the pallu, and the same color blouse piece. We have a mild pink shade on purple which is very pretty. The Pochambali elephants concept is printed in the saree. Half white is used for printing, and completely a simple concept yet very elegant color. The color is very attractive with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark brown color, almost blackish brown it is, with zari lines and zari border. The same color, purple color is not brown, purple, dark purple color, blouse and pallu. The saree is in half white, a creamy half white color with dark blue color prints, and we also have a border design done in pink color. Very different saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange color, a bright orange with light blue, and we have same color pallu and blouse piece, border design, block printed, and pallu have zari lines, same color. Complete saree is in running concept color, a mild orange it is, beautiful color with prints completely in half white. Simple printing, but the color of the saree is very attractive and rare with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very colorful saree. The pallu have three colors, red, yellow as well as orange. We also have purple, four colors actually, with red borders. The blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Colorful saree. The saree here is in half white base with brush painting design done using yellow here and there. Along with that we have block prints, the rose as well as a small flower design, and we have blue prints for the leaf and the stem portion, the Kodi pattern. And here we have a Ganga Jamuna pattern also. The top border is on purple base and the lower border is on red base. Very different saree, beautiful exclusive design with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari border. Antique kind zari is used here for the black finish. Same black blouse piece, pallu color. Contrast one for the body. The body is in dull finish half white with a green tinge, green and brown mixed color tinge. And we also have a beautiful concept, half and half. The top half is with just mango printing with multiple colors. And the lower half is with multiple colors, checked pattern. Different one, closely printed one. Very elegantly done with black zari borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful a blue, it's almost a Ananda blue color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Simple pretty one. And we have a very contrast dark magenta color, magenta pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is in very different color choices. The top portion is completely half white with blue prints and the lower border a big blue border, and the lower border type is printed using the floral, the Vanasingaram concept, and we have magenta pink and green colors. Very different prints in the top and lower portion. A half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multi-color pallu. Vertically we have multiple colors with zari lines also, and we have a rust color, rusty orange color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in cream color, half white, creamy half white. Different design printed in the body, multiple colors. We also have borders in green base color on both sides. Zari borders on the pallu color, the blouse color, rusty orange, and we also have black prints in the lower bottom. Very elegant, classy looking saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, grey, red as well as black is there in the pallu, vertically with zari lines, and same maroon color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The saree is in very different light color, half white with yellow tinge, and the complete saree have batik printing also done using dark pink color, and we have a beautiful different design printed in the saree using black and pink. You can see the lower bottom we have maroon base as well. Excellent saree, multiple designs with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a fully grey elephant black color, almost black with mild grey finish. It is always called the elephant black with same color blouse piece. Only in the pallu we have the zari lines. Otherwise the complete saree is plain with only the zari borders. Very different one for the black lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with block prints in the fish pattern printed using half white, and on it the royal blue is used here, and we have same green, a light green color, parrot green at most, with one side pink borders. The saree is in beautiful pink between plain portion, and the top and bottom we have the printing design, fish pattern as well as a leaf pattern horizontally printed, and we also have the beautiful hand fan design, very elegant one, and the borders are in a pretty green, ultimate contrast nature saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red pallu with block prints and zari lines, same red blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in half white color with a batik printing done using mustard yellow color. The temple border, a beautiful butta design, as well as the lower half we have the very elegant blocks, peacocks and bird pattern is done on red base color. Excellent one, the combination as well as the concept is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brownish maroon shade pallu with fish motifs in one side and zari lines in the main pallu, and the same color is given for the blouse piece as well. Almost maroonish red it is. The saree is in black with both sides we have the prints in half white. Beautiful fish pattern printed on both sides very elegantly using the shades of red and orange, and the borders are in pallu color. Temple borders also given with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with pink pallu. Zari lines and block prints is given in the pallu, and very differently we have printed blouse piece here. Rare one, rarely it comes with printed blouse piece. The complete saree is in bright pink shade a lovely shade with the prints done mostly using half white and yellow color. Both borders they have the prints. Elegant one with the zari borders in both sides. A beautiful collection with the authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and violet base color saree, very excellent one, different color with dark burgundy choco brown color and pink mixed color, just very different color. Blouse piece. Saree is in purple and blue mix light color with the prints in dark blue and burgundy, and we also have a lower border that is in burgundy base color. Very elegant one, multiple prints used for it. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful color, almost half white with mild greenish tinge, which gives a beautiful Tussar color. Elegant pallu, blouse piece, same color. Pallu have zari lines as well as block printed vertical line. And here we have a very beautiful saree. Complete saree is in same color, the pallu color. Only the dark blue is used here for the block prints. Semi-circle pattern and border design. Very beautifully printed and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a maroon shade with zari lines and block prints, and we have same maroon blouse piece. The saree is a very different one. You can see only the top half we have maroon, except that fully it is half white color on it. Black is used for printing. Very different block prints used here. Very elegant one, very different one too. All over the saree is printed in the same way with the borders along in maroon shade. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design. Half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see a arc design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design, very elegantly, closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark red color saree, completely in the same color. The pallu also with block prints and zari lines. Same color blouse piece. Running color, but a very attractive color it is. Dark red. Beautiful one with zari borders and antique finish border. And we also have printed one in the lower half alone. Almost a half and half pattern. The lower half is completely printed using the half white color. Elegant and excellent color, attractive color saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the tribal design printed in the pallu. Same dark red color, almost a maroonish red it is, blouse piece. The saree is also having a beautiful batik concept printed all over. Tribals vertically printed on red base. Saree actually is in half white base color. You can see the greyish green color prints, batik prints. And we also have zigzag lines in both sides of the saree and using yellow and red. Elegant one, very different one too with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu with block print design and zari lines and a very different dark purple color blouse piece with one side royal blue color borders. The saree is in a very pretty shade. Half saree model as well. The top portion is completely in turquoise blue with batik printing and purple prints all over. The zari borders are in royal blue shade. And the lower half is completely green. In the top, plain green, and the lower half is printed. Half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. So we have a multicolor pallu, very elegant one. Vertically zari lines and colors are given with royal blue color blouse piece. One side we have green in the blouse piece. Zari is in half white, dull finish half white it is. The top portion is plain half white color with the crane prints, and the lower part is a fully printed one on white base. It is a half saree model saree. The top and bottom we have two different designs. Very elegant design, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful saree in Prussian blue color, same color pallu with block prints and zari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The complete saree is in single color with the lower half alone. The half white color is given, and then we have a beautiful girl with deer forest pattern printed using black color. Excellent color, beautiful saree with authentic silk.